off a tiny Greek island called Antikythera. In the autumn of 1900, a truck rolls onto a Greek harbour quay and unloads a strange cargo. A crew of sponge divers is getting ready to go down. They think they're hunting sponges. They have no idea. They're about to rewrite history. The divers slip beneath the surface, down into deep, dark water, 45 meters down into the cold. And there, resting on the seabed, is an ancient Roman shipwreck. And inside, statues, coins, jewelry, glassware, a whole cargo of treasure that sank 2,000 years ago. But among all that marble and bronze, one object looks like absolutely nothing special. A corroded, rock-hard lump about the size of a shoebox. They haul it up with everything else and almost forget about it. But that lump, it would turn out to be the most important object on the entire ship. For 2 years, it just sits in a museum, ignored. And then, someone notices something that should be impossible for its age, because hidden inside the bronze are gears. Tiny, precise, interlocking gears, cut with triangular teeth, packed together like the inside of a clock. But here's the thing. This was built more than 1,400 years before the first mechanical clocks of medieval Europe. Finding a machine this complex in 100 BC is like finding a laptop in a medieval castle. So, what was it for? For over a century, that was the real mystery. Then modern X-rays and CT scans finally let scientists see straight through the corrosion and read the faint inscriptions hidden inside. Almost like an instruction manual. And what they found? It's staggering. You turn a single hand crank on the side and the gears move exactly the way the heavens move. The sun, the moon. And the most astonishing part of all? It could predict eclipses, solar and lunar eclipses, decades into the future, from a device you could hold in the palm of your hand. But here's what makes it truly unsettling. Nothing this sophisticated ever appears again for more than 1,400 years. An entire chapter of human engineering seems to have existed and then simply vanished. Who built it? We don't know their name. What else did they make? We have no idea. And how much ancient knowledge was lost with the Library of Alexandria, with fallen empires, with ships that never reached port. This one little machine is the only piece that survived. A single page, torn from a book we can no longer read. We like to imagine progress as a straight line, that we are always the most advanced humans who have ever lived. But this small bronze machine, pulled by accident from the bottom of the sea, tells a very different story. 2,000 years ago, someone looked up at the sky, understood its rhythm, and built a device to hold the entire universe in a box. And then, it sank. And the world forgot it was ever possible. Which makes you wonder, what else is still down there on the seabed, waiting to change everything we think we know about the past? That was the mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism. But history never gives up all its secrets. So stay tuned, because next time we travel to a hillside in Turkey to uncover Göbekli Tepe, a temple older than the pyramids, older than writing, older than civilization itself. If I've made you curious, hit that like button and subscribe to CINECLIC TV. And you'll never run out of stories like this one. Stay curious.